I'm Mary Ann Rosveron SU Palaw from BIT 122 FSMB 4-phase growth of bacteria. This is the graph of bacteria. On the left side, the number of bacteria, and the right side is time. In the graph, you can see the lowest is a log phase. Log phase is no increase in number of living bacteria cell. Second, log phase, exponential increase in number of living bacteria cell. Next, stationary phase, plateau in number of living bacteria cell, rate of cell division and death should equal. Last, death or decline phase, exponential decrease in number of living bacteria cell. How does bacteria grow? Bacterial division, bacteria and archaea reproduce asexually only, while eukaryotic microbes can engage in either sexual or asexual reproduction. Bacteria and archaea commonly engage in a process known as binary fission, where a single cell split into two equal-sized cells. Other less common processes can include multiple fission, doubling, and the production of spore. Growth curve. Since bacteria are easily to grow in the lab, their growth has been studied extensively. It has been determined that in a closed system or batch culture, no food added, no waste removed, bacteria will grow in a predictable pattern, result in a growth curve composed for the 4 different phases of growth: the log phase, the exponential or log phase, the stationary phase, and the death or decline phase. Additionally, this growth curve can yield generation time for particular organism, the amount of time it takes for the population to double. Also, bacteria can live in hotter and colder temperature than humans, but they do best in warm, moist, protein-rich environment that in pH neutral or slightly acidic. There are exceptions, however, some bacteria thrive in extreme heat or cold, while others can survive under high acidic or extremely salty condition. Most bacteria can cause disease growth fastest in the temperature range between 41 and 135 degree F, which is known as the danger zone. That's all. Thank you.